I spent the last month reaching out to people who claim they're making money with AI side hustles. Most were lying, but I found 5 who showed me real proof of income. Today, I'm sharing their exact strategies, how much they're actually earning, and the step-by-step process to start each one. First, let me be clear. I verified every single claim with screenshots, payment confirmations, or live screen shares. No fake gurus, no inflated numbers, just real people sharing what's actually working in 2025. But here's what shocked me most. The people making real money aren't using the flashy AI tools everyone talks about. They're using basic AI to solve boring problems that businesses actually pay for. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Side hustle number 1, AI-enhanced virtual services. Meet Tom from Denver, a former restaurant manager who now earns $2,800 monthly as an AI productivity specialist. Tom doesn't call himself a virtual assistant. He positions himself as someone who uses AI to solve business problems faster. Here's Tom's exact service breakdown: email management and response drafting using ChatGPT, calendar coordination and meeting scheduling optimization, research tasks and report compilation, social media content planning and creation, basic customer service response templates. Tom's secret weapon is his positioning. His LinkedIn headline reads, "I help busy entrepreneurs reclaim 15 hours per week using AI-powered productivity systems." Notice he doesn't mention being a VA. He's a productivity specialist. His client acquisition process. Tom targets entrepreneurs with 10-50 employees who are clearly overwhelmed. He finds them through LinkedIn posts where they complain about being too busy. His outreach message offers a free productivity audit where he analyzes their current workflows. During the audit, Tom identifies 3 to 5 tasks that could be streamlined with AI assistance. He then presents a proposal showing exactly how much time they could save and what that time is worth to their business. Tom's pricing strategy is brilliant. Instead of charging hourly like traditional VAs, he charges based on time saved. He says, "I'll save you 15 hours per week for $700 monthly. That's $46 per hour for time you get back to focus on growing your business." His AI toolkit is surprisingly simple. ChatGPT for email drafting and responses, Calendly for scheduling automation, Notion for project organization, Zapier for basic workflow automation. Total monthly cost, $47 for tools that generate $2,800 in revenue. Tom's most popular service package, the CEO package for $800 monthly. This includes managing all external communications, scheduling, basic research tasks, and social media content. He delivers what traditionally requires 20 hours of work in just 6 hours using AI enhancement. Side hustle number 2, local business AI implementation. Jessica in Atlanta makes $3,200 monthly helping small businesses use AI tools. She's not a tech expert. She's just one step ahead of business owners who are intimidated by AI. Jessica discovered this opportunity when her hair salon started asking about AI after seeing news coverage. She realized most small business owners want to use AI but don't know where to start or what's actually useful for their business. Her service offering: initial AI audit and implementation plan, $500, staff training on practical AI tools, $300, ongoing support and optimization, $200 monthly, custom AI workflows for specific business needs, $800 per project. Jessica's target clients: restaurants needing help with social media and customer communications, hair salons wanting to automate appointment confirmations and follow-ups, real estate agents looking to streamline client communications, local service businesses with repetitive administrative tasks. Her implementation process starts with a detailed business audit. Jessica spends 2 to 3 hours understanding their current workflows, identifying repetitive tasks, and mapping out where AI could provide immediate value. For a typical restaurant client, Jessica implements ChatGPT templates for responding to online reviews, automated social media post scheduling using AI-generated content, email templates for reservation confirmations and promotions, staff training on using AI for menu descriptions and marketing copy. The restaurant saves 8 hours weekly on social media and customer communications, while Jessica earns $700 for the initial setup plus $200 monthly for ongoing support and optimization. Jessica's secret to success: she focuses on immediate, measurable results rather than complicated technology. Her favorite pitch is, "I'll show you 3 ways AI can save your business 10 hours per week starting tomorrow." Side hustle number 3, specialized digital products for niche markets. Mark, a teacher from Ohio, generates $1,800 monthly selling Notion templates designed specifically for educators. He uses Notion AI to create lesson planning templates, student tracking systems, and curriculum organizers. Mark's breakthrough came when he realized generic productivity templates don't work for teachers. Educators have unique needs: lesson planning, student progress tracking, parent communication, curriculum alignment, and administrative reporting. His product development process: Mark surveys teachers in Facebook groups to identify their biggest time-consuming tasks. He then uses Notion AI to create template foundations, which he customizes based on his teaching experience. His best-selling products: Complete Lesson Planning System, $29, sold 47 copies last month. Student Progress Tracker with Parent Communication Templates, $19, sold 63 copies. Substitute Teacher Emergency Plans Template, $15, sold 34 copies. Mark's marketing strategy focuses on solving very specific problems. Instead of advertising teacher templates, he targets lesson planning for new teachers or parent communication systems for elementary educators. His customer acquisition channels: education-focused Facebook groups where he provides free mini templates, Teachers Pay, Teachers Marketplace for broader reach, Pinterest with education-focused boards, word-of-mouth referrals from satisfied customers. What makes Mark's templates successful? They're created by a teacher for teachers. Each template includes detailed instructions, examples, and customization guides. He provides email support for all customers and regularly updates templates based on feedback. Mark's expansion strategy: he's now creating templates for specific subjects: math lesson planning, reading comprehension tracking, and grade levels, kindergarten organization, high school curriculum planning. His goal is $5,000 monthly by focusing on increasingly specific niches. Side hustle number 4, AI content creation for professional services. Lisa from Portland earns $2,400 monthly creating content for fitness professionals, real estate agents, and consultants. She uses ChatGPT to write workout descriptions, property listings, and business blog posts. Lisa's origin story: as a former gym manager, she understood the content challenges fitness professionals face. They know their expertise, but struggle to communicate it effectively online. She realized AI could bridge this gap. Her service packages: Fitness Pro Content Package, $400 monthly for 16 social media posts, 4 blog articles, and 8 email newsletters. Real Estate Agent Content System, $500 monthly for property descriptions, market updates, and client communication templates. Consultant Thought Leadership Package, $600 monthly for LinkedIn articles, case studies, and email sequences. Lisa's content creation process: she starts with a detailed client interview to understand their expertise, target audience, and brand voice. She then creates AI prompts that incorporate this information to generate content that sounds authentic to each professional. For fitness clients, her ChatGPT prompt includes: create workout content for specific specialty, targeting demographic, with fitness goals. Include exercise descriptions, safety tips, and motivational language that reflects trainer's personality and approach. The key to Lisa's success: she combines AI efficiency with deep industry knowledge. Her fitness content includes proper exercise terminology, safety considerations, and progression strategies that generic AI content lacks. Lisa's client retention strategy: she provides monthly content calendars, customization guidelines, and performance analytics. Clients see measurable improvements in engagement and lead generation, making her services essential rather than optional. Her expansion plan: Lisa is developing content packages for nutritionists, physical therapists, and wellness coaches. She's also creating done-for-you content systems that clients can purchase and customize themselves. Side hustle number 5, AI research and competitive analysis services. David in Seattle makes $3,600 monthly providing market research and competitive analysis for small businesses using AI tools. David discovered this opportunity while helping his brother's restaurant research competitors. He realized that AI could dramatically speed up market research tasks that small businesses either can't afford or don't have time to do properly. His core services: competitive analysis reports, $300–$600 depending on depth; market opportunity research, $400–$800 per project; customer sentiment analysis, $200–$400; industry trend reports, $500–$1,000; social media competitive intelligence, $250–$500. David's process for competitive analysis: he uses ChatGPT to analyze competitor websites, social media presence, pricing strategies, and customer reviews. AI helps him identify patterns and insights that would take weeks to compile manually. His typical deliverable includes competitor positioning analysis, pricing comparison and recommendations, content strategy gaps and opportunities, customer pain points identified from reviews, social media performance benchmarks. David's client acquisition strategy. He targets business owners who are launching new locations, introducing new services, or entering new markets. These entrepreneurs need competitive intelligence but can't afford traditional consulting firms. His most successful case study, a local coffee shop owner planning a second location, hired David for $800 to analyze the competitive landscape. David's research revealed an underserved demographic and optimal pricing strategy. The new location exceeded revenue projections by 40% in its first 6 months. Common threads among all 5 successful entrepreneurs. They don't try to automate everything. They use AI to enhance human expertise. They focus on solving real problems that businesses will pay to fix. They position themselves as specialists rather than generalists. They combine AI efficiency with industry knowledge and personal experience. The failures I encountered had opposite characteristics. They tried to fully automate services without adding human value. They targeted consumers rather than businesses willing to pay premium rates. They competed on price rather than results. They used AI as a gimmick rather than a productivity tool. Your implementation roadmap. Week 1, choose the approach that best matches your existing skills and interests. Don't try to learn a completely new industry. Leverage what you already know. Week 2, identify 10 potential clients or customers and research their specific pain points. Week 3, create your first service offering or product. Start simple and improve based on feedback. Week 4, test your pricing and delivery process with your first paying customer. Pricing strategy across all 5 approaches. Start with lower rates to build testimonials and refine your process. Gradually increase prices as you improve efficiency and demonstrate results. Focus on value-based pricing rather than time-based pricing whenever possible. Most importantly, be transparent about using AI tools while emphasizing the human expertise you bring. These successful entrepreneurs don't hide their AI use. They position it as a competitive advantage that allows them to deliver better results faster. The AI gold rush is creating unprecedented opportunities, but success goes to those who solve real problems rather than just playing with cool technology. Focus on delivering measurable value, and the money will follow. Comment below which approach interests you most, and I'll share specific resources to help you get started. Subscribe for more verified case studies from people building real AI-powered businesses. Next week, I'm revealing how one entrepreneur scaled an AI service business from $1,000 to $15,000 monthly in just 4 months. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best opportunity is the one you actually act on.